You alright guys, Yorkshire Cards here again. Got a bit of a booster packs to open. Jewel Overload, Maximum Gold, and hopefully we can pull a Ghost Rare. So, we'll get started. Witchcraft Creation, Vanity Rolls, Swamp Frog, Flame Swordsman, cool looking card from back in the day, and the Hallow Giants. Condemned Dark Lord, Chaos Goddess, Protector Help of Destruction, Stealth Union, Sky Strikes, Marble Machine, Bird of Sovereignty, Bloom Horace, the Melodious Composer, Graveyard of Wandering Souls, Double Elevation Pill, Cube Drama, Emma's Judgment, Reptilian Chinder. Oh, these cards have some weird names nowadays. Destiny Hero, Card of Fate, Dark Aphelion Dragon, Swamp Frog, Fantastic Dragon, Phantasme, Magic Musk Casper, Mephilic Divide, Secret Six Samurai Fuma, Dangerous Nightmare, Ancient Gear Ballista, Gigiplant, Destiny Hero Celestial, Magical Musketeer Starfire, Chaos Goddess, Magic Formula, Speedroy Hexasource, Witchcraft Creation, Magical Formula, and Umbrella. Infernite Impairments, Double Evolution Pill, Cubic Drama, Emma's Judgment, Reptilian China, Rose Bell of Evolution, Bloom Harness the Melodious Composer, Malefic Tune, Reptilian Chinda, Deck Lockdown, Hollow Giants, Magic Formula, Destiny's Hero. Hero, Infernal Device, Giant Plant, Destiny Hero, Magical Musketeer, Chaos Goddess. Crystal Mining, Speed Rod, Marble Machine, Elephant Tune, Cubic Ascension, Golden Castle of Stormbirch, Crossroad Dragon, Cubic Casualty, Magical Musketeer Casper, King Dragoon. Some really nice cards in here. I like the artwork. Card of Fate. Card of Fate, hoping the fate's on our side to pull a Ghost Rare. Selene, Queen of the Master Magicians, DD Abyss King Gilgamesh, White Mare, Compulsory Eviction Device, Cube Casualty, The Last Warrior from Another Planet. It's a nice card. Right, see what's in these gold packs. Number 101, Silent Honok Arc, Machine Phantom Beast, Jack Olsen, Scrap Recycle, Baboon Statue of the Inferno, Skyclaps Guardian, Cyber Dragon Infinity. Very nice card. I think that's a good card. That's a very nice looking card, that. Gorgeous. Let's leave this one up as well. Dark Lord Itchel, Noble Knight, Imperial Tome of Necro Valley, Commanding Witch, Machine Duplication, Ancient Magician Arrows, and Elemental Hero Stratos. Next pack. Noble Knights of the Round Table, Mistaken Arrest, Silent Angler, Trickstar Reincarnation, Barrier Statue of the Storm Winds, Tour Guide from the Underworld, and Blue Eyes White Dragon. Look at that. A very nice pull of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Last pack of these. Number 39, Utopia Beyond. Mecha Phantom Beast Daraska. Union Scramble. Preparation of the Rites. Barrier Statue of the Torrent. House Dragon Maid. And a Kitchen Dragon Maid. Let's see if we can get a ghost rare. Time for the ghost rare. Come on. Dragon Thunderbird. Emergency Teleport. Fairy Tale Rocky. Dragon Unity Draft. Heroic Seal of Creation. Sunseed Shadow. Medical Fresh Sisters. Shishara. I remember that from back when I was at school. Phantom Knight Fogblade. Vampire Void. Fairy Tale Rocka. Dragon Unity Draft. Heroic Seal of Conversion. Galaxy's Eyes Blade Dragon. Oh no. Next pack. Time Thief Rhoda. Time Thief Konorakoda. Larval Salamander. Phantom Thrasher. Metal Force Mithrilium. Metaphors Fallen. Solomon Grint Falcon. Shooting Star Dragon TGEX. Phantom Knight Fogblade. Metal Falls Silvered. Dragon Thunderbird. Emergency Teleport. Starry Nights Ceremony. Come on. Let's have a ghost rare. Phantom Knight Fogblade again. Metal Falls Silvered. Starry Night Rael. XYZ Burst. Miracle Synchro Fusion. Salvage. Armed Dragon level 10. Look at that. I always wanted that card when I was younger. And I've just pulled it. A very nice card. such a badass card, that. I always wanted that when I was watching Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. Fairy Tales. Fairy Tale Tales. Arc Brave Dragon. Update Jammer. Time Thief Hack. Starry Night Flame. Jammer Country. Horizon You, sorry. Remember that card from when I was younger. Royal Prison. Starry Night Blast. Evenly matched. Evenly matched, should I say. Last 2 packs. Can we pull a Ghost Rare? I have faith. The Monarch Eruption. Larval Dragon. Metalfall Furs Gold Drive. Sunseed Genius. And Raptor Tribute Lands. Sun Thrice, XYZ Burst, Mind Mole, Dragny Whirlwind. Well, unfortunately we couldn't pull the Ghost Rare, but I hope you liked the video. Please give me a like, subscribe, comment anything you want me to open or tips, anything. But thanks for watching. See you in the next video.